How to write on PDF on mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can write on PDF on mobile. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to download a PDF viewer or PDF editor, which is easily available on Google Play Store, where you may just download any according to your preference. I'm downloading this Adobe Acrobat. You also may download this application. After that, you need to set this app up. After logging into your account, you'll be able to see a page where you'll be able to see a bunch of PDFs. So you may just simply tap on this plus icon and download the PDF that you have already have on your file, which you want to edit, or you may just edit a PDF according which you want to edit. So let's say this is the PDF that I want to edit after adding it on my screen, and I'm just going to tap on that PDF. After that, wait for it to load. So in order to edit that PDF, you just need to simply tap on it in order to edit the text. So what I'm going to do is simply tap on text, and you can see tap on anywhere. After that, you may just tap anything you want and add it on the text. And here are a bunch of other options like comment, highlight, fill and sign, more tools. So you may just use any of these options in order to edit your PDF. After that is done, after your editing is done, you may just simply tap on share and share it with any other storage option, or share it as a mail or anything. Or you may just simply tap on this three dot here and print or save a copy and export it as well. So therefore, by following this method, you can edit a PDF on this by downloading this application. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.